Welcome to Spoken English course.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you busy right now?
Yes, I'm a little busy.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 665-3257.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time here.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Batman.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Where's the nearest bus stop?
The nearest bus stop is Baltimore Travel Plaza.
What's your favorite hobby?
Reading is my favorite hobby.
What's the date today?
Today is August 26th.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
How are you?
I'm wonderful.
Where are you from?
I am from Oslo, Norway.
Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
Where do you work?
I work in a bank.
Are you married?
Yes, I've been married for 2 years now.
Why do you study English?
Because I'd like to immigrate to the USA.
What do you do in your free time?
I usually hang out with my friends.
What is the weather like today?
It's beautiful. A perfect summer day.
How was your day?
Very productive.
What would you like to drink?
Just water for me.
How was the party?
It was small but fun.
Where are you staying?
I'm staying in New York City.
What is your nationality?
I'm American.
What is your job?
I'm a teacher.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the hotel.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
Where were you born?
I was born in Istanbul.
When were you born?
I was born in 1998.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
What kind of food do you like?
I like fruits.
What kind of films do you watch?
I like action films.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by train.
What time do you get up?
I get up at about 9:15.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 9:30 a.m.
What time did you get up yesterday?
I got up at 7 o'clock yesterday.
What time did you get up yesterday?
I got up at 7 o'clock yesterday.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
How tall are you?
I'm 1 meter 70 centimeters tall.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 80 kilograms.
When do you go to college?
I go at 10 a.m.
How do you get to college?
I go by bus.
What do you study?
I study history.
Do you have fun at college?
Yes, I do.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my office work.
Which office do you work in?
I work in a bank.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am.
When is your birthday?
It is on June 5th.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free tomorrow.
Will you join me for coffee?
I'm sorry. I don't have time.
Do you have any siblings?
I don't have any siblings.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
How much does it cost?
It's $100.
What's the temperature?
It's 30 degrees Celsius now.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, there's a suitcase.
How's the weather?
It's quite cold.
How are you feeling?
I'm all right.
How was your day?
Really good.
What's the matter?
Nothing. I'm fine.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.
What do you want?
I want to go out.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite is Harry Potter.
How's the traffic?
It's heavy.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
What's your favorite music genre?
I love rock music.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
How's school going?
It's going well.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to China.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love Game of Thrones.
How's the food?
It's delicious.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm good, thanks.
What's your favorite dessert?
Ice cream.
Can Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love reading books.
What's this?
This is a lens.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How do you do?
Pleased to meet you.
How about you?
Not too good.
What time do you close?
I close at 8 p.m.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
What's on your mind?
I'm just thinking.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in 5 minutes.
How are you feeling?
I'm all right.
When is your birthday?
In December.
Where are you from?
I'm from Africa.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
How was the movie?
Not so bad.
May I smoke here?
No problem.
Where did you stay?
In a hotel.
Does she speak English?
Yes, she does.
Can I help you?
No thanks.
Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.